She was a bird, I was an arrow. Both of us sure we were sword and a sparrow. Still when we flew, we never knew. There in the air, I felt her feathers, first all at once, then all together. When I went through, that's when I knew. I'm a killer, and a killer is a bad, bad thing to be. She's a giver, and a giver's even worse to folks like me. 'Cause I never really wanna be the one to hurt somebody, but it just keeps happening. Yeah, it just keeps happening. I was a bird, he was an arrow. I was allured by the straight and the narrow. What could I do? His aim was true. Straight to the heart, I let it happen. I couldn't hardly have ever imagined that when he went through me, he'd hate what he's doing and make me feel stupid for choosing him too. 'Cause I'm a giver, and a giver is a bad, bad thing to be. He's a killer, and a killer's even worse for folks like me. 'Cause I never really wanna feel the hurt from anybody, but it just keeps happening. Yeah, it just keeps happening. Yeah, it just keeps happening. Falling, never to fly again, darling. Together when everything's fading, the shade of the trees in the dark. I'm in love with the idea of dying with you in my arms, but not like this. We can't really help who we are. We can't really help who we are. We can't really help who we are. Damn to the end from the start. We can't really help who we are. We can't really